I'm on my way to Cancun. I'm kidding. I'm actually going to Georgia to a workshop created for such a time as this. It's going to be held at M&M Mercantile, which is owned by this Georgia sweet peach, Monica Mercer. Well, I landed and I'm picking up my rent-a-car and off to the Airbnb. It's called A Little Bit Farm. And look at these beauties I was greeted by. Wow, this is really cute and cozy. It even has a hanging bed. And look at this beautiful cabinet. Loving this view. Cute kitchen, but no microwave or stove. But there is a grill outside. I think this shower is calling my name. Oh look, there's a tent with horse treats. Well, it's been a long day. I'm going to sleep like a baby. Actually, I don't want to sleep like a baby. I want to sleep like my husband. I woke up this morning to Miss Mallory taking a bath. She was something else. I think she thinks she owns this little bit farm. Is she a mallard? I don't know. Well, I'm off to M&M Mercantile to do a little shopping and to check it out for VIP night. M&M stands for Monica and McAllister. McAllister is her husband's name. It's filled with DIY products and I'm sure a lot more. There's all kinds of beautiful things in the store. Made by, painted by, created by artists and creatives in the area. It's a really great store. I know Monica's grateful to have this place. I even met Polly of the Noisy League. She even invited me to lunch. What a sweetheart. Well, it's VIP time. I hope you brought your dancing shoes. You know, with Debi and Dionne, there's going to be a dance party. It was so great to see Debi and Dionne again and to be inspired by the women in this community. Did I say there would be dancing? To M&M Mercantile, where you are always welcome. And also, it's the main event. What a greeting to be greeted by Michelle and Canice. Also, to meet new people, see old friends, and make new ones. Hey, guess what? I even met AJ of AJ's Vintage Designs. She's the one that painted that beautiful cabinet in the Airbnb I was staying in. How cool is that? It's showtime. Yeah, well, you know Monica's really excited that Debi and Dionne are there. I mean, like, really, really excited. She even pinched Dionne to make sure Dionne was really there. Who pinches Dionne? Oh, and did I mention there would be dancing? 3 lucky people will win one of the 3 pieces painted by Monica, Debi, or Dionne. Here's Monica's. It's beautiful. And guess what? I won this t-shirt. And here's Dionne's piece that she'll be painting. I can watch her paint all day long. And yes, it's beautiful as usual. Oops, I kind of didn't get a picture of Debi's piece because I got a picture of us instead. But you can still see it from behind us, right? And this is Kristen Calhoun of She Paints Studios. She even sang for us.
Every time I face the waves, I don't want to be afraid. I don't want to be afraid. I don't want to fear the storm just because I hear the roar. I don't want to fear the storm. I don't want to fear the storm. Peace, be still. Say the word and I will see, till I'm dancing on the deep. Peace be still, you are here, so it is well. Even when my eyes can't see, I will trust the voice that speaks. I'm not gonna be afraid, 'cause these waves are only waves. I'm not gonna be afraid, no, I'm not gonna be afraid. I'm not gonna fear the storm, you are greater than its roar. I'm not gonna fear the storm, no, I'm not gonna fear it all. Peace be still, say the word and I will set my feet upon the sea, till I'm dancing in the deep. Oh, peace be still, you are here, so it is well. Even when my eyes can't see, I will trust the voice that speaks. Peace, peace, peace. It's a terrible ending to the song, I'm sorry. It just fades out.
She even painted this for Monica. What a great memory. And of course, this workshop gave us a lot of great memories. Also, a big thank you for Monica for having us. Well, it's time to say goodbye to these beauties, and I'm off to the airport. Well, if you're ever in Canton, Georgia, stop by M&M Mercantile. It's a great store to visit. Well, I'll see y'all next video.